If you have $1,000, $10,000, $500, as the case may be, and you want to double it before the end of the month of June, all right, there are 6 cryptocurrencies I'm going to share with us now that would definitely double your money in the month of June. You can buy these cryptocurrencies on exchange. You can buy them on Binance. You can buy them on any exchange of your choice. They are listed, but they are at their all-time low. In fact, this is the lowest price at the moment where you can buy these cryptocurrencies. It is the best opportunity for you right now. Okay, you can buy them on spot, you can trade on futures. All right, Nathaniel is my name, and on this channel I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online. All right, you would want to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I tell you what to buy, what to sell every month, every week, every day, and we'll be making a lot of money here, so you don't want to miss that. I wouldn't want to waste your time, so let's go straight into it. The first crypto token that I'm going to be sharing with us is called the GMT, and the GMT token, you can see right now that it is at the all-time low, trading at 0.27. This is it, 0.27 right now, and this is the all-time low. You can see you can see that we are still within the demand zone, and this demand zone is where everybody come in. Let me zoom this out so you can get a full picture of where we fell from. This particular token fell from $4 and it is at 0.7. That is awesome. From this point, anything can happen. We can see 100%, 500%, if you are a futures trader, or if you just want to buy on spots and hold, you can just do that. And trust me, you will be making a lot of money in the next few weeks. Okay, I'm also going to be showing us the market capitalization of this particular token so that they are not scam tokens. Awesome. This is the current rates, and you can check for the volume, 24 hours volume. This is the supply, the circulating supply, max supply of this. So they are they are cryptocurrencies with good communities. I've checked them, and I've been trading these cryptocurrencies actually right from when they were listed. All right, so this cryptocurrency can be gotten on Binance, on KuCoin. You can get it on Coinbase exchange, Kraken, and a lot of exchange here with high liquidity rating here. You can see the liquidity rating is very high. The next one here is the GTC. The GTC token is also at its all-time low. Okay, you can see that I have highlighted the demand zone, which is the lower low here. All right, right now we are still within this region, so it is one of the best time for you to buy as much as you can. See, from 1.2 or 1.3 you can enter, and we would go as high as possible in the month of June. Let me show us where we also fell from for this token. We fell all the way from $28 US. This is awesome. Right now we are trading in less than $2, which is 1.4. 1.4 is the current rate right now, and you wouldn't want to miss this. Okay, let's quickly check the market cap and the exchanges where you can buy GTC token. All right, here you can see that the market cap for GTC is 85 million, and this is the 24 hours volume, which is 2.9 million. It is really awesome for this kind of volume for 24 hours. Yes, the circulating supply is completely verified, and you can see the total supply. All right, this token, you can buy this on Binance as well. You can buy it from BYBIT, from crypto.com exchange. You can see a lot of exchange here, KuCoin, Coinbase, whichever exchange you're using, this cryptocurrency is available. The next cryptocurrency to buy that will do awesomely well in the month of June is called the GNS, and this GNS is another awesome crypto tokens that is within its all-time low. Come with me. This is GNX, and you can see GNS fell from $13. I think, let me bring this down. Okay, this is the all-time high, 13.9, which is almost $14, and right now the all-time low is 4.6. We are trading right now at 5.0 USDT, which is a very good accumulating zone. One reason you should get these cryptocurrencies as part of your portfolio is that your money is going to be doubled. I can assure you of that, and in fact that is the essence of this video. I want everybody to double their funds before the end of June, and this is one way you can do that. BTC is about to go parabolic, and you wouldn't want to miss the ride. As you can see right here, GNX, which is the gains network, is trading at 5.05. It is down 3.7% for 24 hours. All right, its market cap is $153 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is 6 million, which is also great. You can see the circulating supply is verified, and it is above 30 million. You can get this particular token, which is the Games Network GNX, from Binance. You can get this on Uniswap, on KuCoin, Uniswap. You can get on Get.io, BYBIT, and a lot of them. I think it is almost on all the exchanges that you would want to trade with. The next cryptocurrency that is going to make you a millionaire, a billionaire, depending on how much you're going to be trading with, is called the liquidity token. And this liquidity token has been listed recently on Binance, and it is at its all-time low. All right, as you can see right here, liquidity token fell to 1.2, and this 1.2 has been acting as the demand region for the past few days, okay, which is why I am picking this for us to get our hands on it right now. It fell from 3.85. Trust me, it is really prospective. Okay, I made a video showing us how newly listed tokens behave on Binance. Okay, usually when a new cryptocurrency is listed or is launched, those who got it through airdrop, those who got it through pre-sale, they will all dump it. I showed us how you can take advantage of this and what to expect next after this dump, how much it is going to pump, and how long it will take to pump. All these questions, I answered them in that video. I'm going to drop a link in the description. I'm also going to tag it here so you can just, go see it as soon as you can. So this is liquidity token, not liquidity, pardon me. All right. It is trading at 1.27, and the market cap is 116 million. Circulating supply right here is 91 million, and the 24 hours trading volume is $11.8 million. That is also a great one. You can get this token from Binance as well. All these tokens that I'm sharing with us are on Binance. You can see Binance, KuCoin, BYBIT, ByGet, and the rest of them. ByBIT, ByGet, and the rest of them. So you can go get all of this. This is for perpetual trades on Coinbase. You can get Uniswap as well. If you want to buy OKX, Hobby, Polonix, and so on. I've given us 4 crypto tokens to buy and double our funds, which means if you are going to be investing $1,000 in each of these tokens, by now you should be thinking of making $4,000 already. The next one that I'm going to be giving to us is PEPE. Well, PEPE is a very popular crypto token. It was listed on Binance a few weeks ago, and this has a very great potential. I am adding this as part of what you should get, not because it is at its all-time low right now, but it is still within a low region. And when you get this early, you are going to make a lot of money. It has been falling within a descending channel, and any moment from now, I am expecting a breakout from here. And when it pumps, it is going to be awesome. I think PEPE has been the top trending crypto tokens or meme tokens for the past 3 weeks or 4 weeks now. All right, so you wouldn't want to miss this ride. It has also fallen from a very high point. Okay, and this is just on Binance. Okay, it fell from 0.00438, and we are trading at 159, which is a good point for you to accumulate it. The market cap for PEPE is over 600 million, which is the highest among all the meme coins so far. Okay, that is why I said it has been topping the chart. See the fully diluted market cap here, which is still 681 million. All right, circulating supply, you can see it is 93% gone, almost filled up, and 24-hour trading volume is also very high, 408 million. So tell me why you would want to miss this opportunity. It is at a low price right now, and you wouldn't want to miss it. The last that I'm going to be sharing with us is called the CLV. The CLV is one token that I will encourage everybody to even get their hands on right now. I mean, as soon as you see this video, make sure you begin to purchase some of these cryptocurrencies that I'm telling you to buy, because from this point, you can wake up the next morning and you would see that it has done 100% or even 200%, because it's going to be speedy. If you are trading it on futures, make sure you set your stop loss and your take profit so that you don't, get a quick pump like this when it comes down without you taking profits, you have missed out. So you want to set all of that. And you can see this guy. Let me show us what exactly happened here. It has fallen from a very high point. Well, I know you're surprised right now. Yes, from this $2.45, and we are trading at 0.047. If you watched to this point, it means you enjoyed what I've been saying. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is very important to me because it encourages me to do more for you. All right. Don't forget also to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below so that it will help promote this video for other persons to see it and also benefit from everything that I've shared so far. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.